Are you wondering where Wise sends your refund when a transfer doesn't go through? In this video, I'll explain it in simple terms. Wise usually refunds your money to the same method you used to make the payment. If you paid with your Wise balance, the refund will return to your Wise balance. If you used a debit or credit card, it will go back to that card. If you paid by bank transfer, the refund will be returned to your bank account. There are a few reasons why Wise might issue a refund. One is if you cancel the transfer yourself. Another is if the recipient's bank rejects the money. A third reason could be a technical problem with the transfer. In all these cases, Wise will start the refund process automatically. You can't choose a different account or card for the refund. Wise must send the money back to the original payment method for security and legal reasons. Refund times can vary. Wise balance refunds are usually quick. Card refunds might take a few days. Bank transfers can also take several business days. To check your refund status, log in to Wise, go to the transfer under the activity section, and see if it says refunded. If there's an issue and the refund fails to reach the original source, Wise will contact you to arrange a different method. That's how Wise refunds your money. Thanks for watching.